Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.45. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 0.53%. This equates to an average return of 0.27% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are expected. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of about negative 50.47% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 61.08% and negative 44.26%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of approximately negative 25.14%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 84.74% to positive 77.43% over the next year. This would suggest a future price somewhere between $2.88 and $33.52. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock after gaining a fraction of a percent. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price increased by a fraction of a percent on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of April, 2025, rising from $18.79 to $18.89. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.31%, reaching a low of $18.57 and a high of $19.18. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 4.74% during this period. Volume fell on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 4 million shares bought and sold for approximately $78,140,000. It is important to consider that decreasing volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $56.55, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 66.60% or $37.66 below the 52-week high, and 76.20% or $60.49 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the ticker DJT, has recently achieved significant milestones and developments that are impacting its stock trajectory. On the 11th of April, 2025, the company announced that its Form S-3 registration statement has become effective, allowing it to raise capital. This move could strengthen its financial foundation for expansions and product improvements. This news is critical for investor confidence in the short term, as it signals the company's readiness to pursue growth initiatives. In the past week, DJT stock has experienced volatility, particularly after President Trump encouraged his followers to buy the dip, which led to an 8% surge in share price shortly after his call. Such endorsements from prominent figures often drive retail investor sentiment, resulting in short-term trading spikes. Additionally, TMTG is expanding its Truth Social platform and streaming services into Canada and Mexico, further diversifying its market reach amid a challenging global tariff landscape. While external factors like tariffs could complicate operations, this expansion may enhance revenue streams in the long term. Conversely, the stock has faced scrutiny following plans to sell over 142 million shares, including Trump's substantial stake. This announcement previously led to a sharp decline in share value, raising concerns about market saturation and investor sentiment. In summary, while there is potential for impactful short-term growth driven by new registrations and expansion, DJT's longer-term stability will rely on successful execution and market conditions. Investors should remain aware of both the strategic developments within TMTG and external economic factors that could influence the stock's performance. Given below is a script for a YouTube video. Convert all numbers and currencies to words. Please refine it to be clearer and more engaging. Ensure that the main points and essence of the original content remain intact. Do not add any greetings unless one is present in the original script, and avoid using an overexcited tone. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently shows a buy signal according to the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance at the long-term moving average, which is at $20.74. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find some support from the short-term average at $18.20. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would generate an additional sell signal, thereby strengthening the overall negative signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD, currently shows a sell signal. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 13.39%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Notably, the trading volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 35 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 55 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 39 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $18.79. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to carry a high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.614 between its high and low, which is approximately 3.31%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 13.53%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, typically due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profit levels and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $20.27. If you currently do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this may be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $18.79. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we calculated a positive insider power with a ratio of 21.795. Overall, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in these last 55 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation presents several negative signals, and we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of April, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open lower by approximately 1 cent and begin trading at $18.88. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.